There's something truly special about baking a cake. It turns simple moments into celebrations, and ordinary gatherings into memories. Today, I'm sharing 6 easy cake recipes that are beginner-friendly, delicious, and guaranteed to impress your guests, without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's get started. First, a classic vanilla butter cake, soft, rich, and perfectly tender. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking powder, and salt. Alternate adding the dry ingredients and the milk to the batter, mixing until just combined. Divide the batter evenly between 2 greased 9-inch pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Next is a rich and moist chocolate cake that chocolate lovers adore. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Add the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla, and mix until smooth. Slowly stir in the boiling water. The batter will be thin. Pour into greased pans and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's move on to a light and fluffy coconut cake with a tropical twist. For this cake, you'll need 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of coconut milk, and 1 cup of shredded coconut. Cream the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla. Mix together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Alternate adding the dry ingredients and coconut milk to the batter. Gently fold in the shredded coconut. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Next is a fresh and simple strawberry shortcake, perfect for any occasion. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of sliced fresh strawberries, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix the dry ingredients, then cut in the butter until crumbly. Add the egg and milk and mix until smooth. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Whip the heavy cream with powdered sugar until soft peaks form. Slice the cake and layer with fresh strawberries and whipped cream. Now for a classic favorite, carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 eggs, 2 cups of grated carrots, and 1 cup of crushed pineapple. Mix the dry ingredients in one bowl. In another bowl, whisk together the oil and eggs. Combine the wet and dry ingredients, then fold in the carrots and pineapple. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. For the frosting, beat 8 ounces of cream cheese with half a cup of butter until smooth. Gradually mix in 4 cups of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Frost the cake once completely cooled. Finally, a light and colorful berry bliss cake that's as beautiful as it is delicious. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 2 cups of mixed berries. Cream the butter and sugar together. Add the eggs, then mix in the milk. Stir in the dry ingredients until just combined. Gently fold in the berries. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. These easy cake recipes prove that homemade desserts don't have to be complicated to be unforgettable. Whether you're baking for family, friends, or just yourself, there's a cake here for every moment. Be sure to check out this video for more.